To play Roblox on laptop or PC, first you need to go to roblox.com, either create an account or log in. Find the game you want to play, select it, and then tap on this play button over here, which is highlighted in blue color, and open it. Once the Roblox application is opened and you're inside a game, maximize the screen by clicking on maximize icon in the top right corner or by pressing F11 on your keyboard. You may also need to press F1 plus F11 on your laptop. Now to move around, you need to use the WASD keys on your keyboard. And to move the camera, you need to hold the right mouse button and move the mouse. Zoom in and out with the scroll wheel and press the space bar to jump. You can also move the camera using the keys in the bottom right corner of this screen. And to pause the game, press the escape key in the top left corner. For a list of specific controls as well, pause the game by pressing escape and then go to the settings page and adjust your settings according to your preference. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.